Hey there, thank you for joining us. Today we are going to do a sketch of a person lying down on the sides, and we're going to show sort of a curled up pose. So I need to utilize the space. I'm going to set the person out. That is the back, let's say it'll be the back, and right around here will be the head of the person, and I'm going to put in the shoulder somewhere there, shoulder, arm, second arm. Now I can have this going like right here. We're going to do that actually. And then the other shoulder is of course behind the head somewhere there, and I have arm and arm. So you see the arms are like that, so you could even like put in two V shapes like that with that little bend or the little arc. And here's the lower torso, and I'm going to put in, so it's like a baby pose, and I know that some people actually do adopt this pose when they sleep. Now whether that is conscious, it's unconscious, but it's in the subconscious, it is said. So I put down lower torso, hands. The real action is here. This could be curled up like right against him, or it's here. You could bring the thigh up here. We could do that too. But the essential thing bit in this case is this. So what I'm going to do is I'm grabbing a pen. I would recommend that you should continue the practice with a pencil and go all out, but in this case I can make do with a pen just to highlight the features as I'm going along. So right here now I can put in, let's say that this hand will be curled over this arm here, but I'm using purple all through for this, so I'm going to bring the inside of the arm in a little bit. That was too far, and to go, so let's say one hand is here somewhere right around the head. It's a very common pose when it comes to people taking a nap or sleeping. And so there is the neck, a bit of the shoulder, and then the back. And so this arm is curled, this hand is curled around this arm, so the fingers would have been here somewhere. I hope you can like see that. I'm going to get the head out of the way. So the ear will be here somewhere, and if the person has to be like shown in more detail, of course it will depend. You could tilt the head further down, or you can be looking here. It would like straight up, straight at us, and that would be a little creepy, but so we will actually just stick with this. This is okay enough. I'm putting in a set of fingers here. Okay, so that is one thing that we can achieve with this. But if we have to now concentrate on the lower body, so there's the hip structure. I can bring the thigh right up here. Let's put in a knee, and up here actually, and I would have the foot somewhere around there. Now the second leg doesn't have to be exactly as we have it here. It could be going all the way here. It could be going all the way here with the foot over there, or of course you could also have the leg going here as I had initially drawn it. So in that case we'll come down, go over here, foot will be there somewhere, so it's more outstretched. And of course the rear leg in that case could be placed like that. To go with this one here. So there's all sorts of things you can achieve, and it's not just for sleeping. This could be, like a twisting action pose, or it could be like any number of things. So please do check it out, and I think it will be a lot of fun to practice with this. If I had what you call a certain light source going there, I would of course put in all the tones, the cross hatching, shadow wise into the part of the body here. And again, according to what the person is wearing, according to how dark or how light the shadow effect is, I will be putting in the tones accordingly wherever the shadows are supposed to fall. In this case, I'm just doing something very quickly, and again I'm concentrating on the top part of the body because that is the one that is stable. Let's say that there's some muscular structure. If the person is sleeping shirtless, I would have some tones hitting right around here. If the person is just fit enough, which is always a recommended exercise because it helps you achieve more in terms of shading and tone. So thank you for watching. Please do subscribe, keep in touch, let us have your comments as well. We would love to hear from you or get suggestions of different lying down poses, and we will work something out together. Please do subscribe, keep in touch, have yourself a wonderful day.